uppercase B.
B?
Oh, yeah, I meant B. Guys, this is my this is my work, and this is letter D. I'm gonna tell you the colors over here: white, pink, dark pink, light pink, yellow, and orange. I just put orange here because there's no more yellow. There's no more yellow that's used.
Okay. How many buttons did you put in there, ate?
I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I put 18 buttons. My name is Daphne, and my name starts with D.
君の虜になってしまう
And this is dragonfly. This is uppercase D, and this is I don't know. This is small d, and this is uppercase D.
Okay, that's the lowercase down
This is
there.
the lowercase B, and this is the uppercase B.
B?
Oh, yeah, I meant B.
Again. Take 2. For the dragonfly, that is
This is lowercase d,
very
and
good.
this is uppercase D. And this is a dragonfly.
Are you sure it's a dragonfly?
A few moments later.
Yes.
Okay.
God gives us insight. This is my work. This is my work. And this is my work letter D. Wow! This is my